Okay, the first item that I use every week is my Vitamix blender. I've had this blender for almost 20 years and it still works amazingly. This is a great blender for pureeing anything from soups to sauces and smoothies, and it's also good for grinding wheat berries and anything hard. So this is definitely something that I recommend. If you can invest in a good quality blender, it's going to make your meal prep really, really easy. So here's the final tomato sauce after it's been blended. It's nice and creamy. I'm going to portion it into my freezer safe bags and store them in the freezer. I'm going to take my almond butter. I'm going to scoop out 4 tablespoons of the almond butter into the blender. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, next what I do is I just take as much spinach as I can and I put all of that I can fit into the blender. Kind of press it in. This way I get as much spinach as I can into this smoothie. Okay, that's about 2 cups. Usually it's about 2 to 4 cups of spinach that I can fit into the blender. Okay, next I'm going to put water in here and then we're going to put it into the blender. All right, let's look inside. Yum. And there it is. Next, I'm just going to take 2 glass jars and pour this smoothie into there. It's going to make about 8 cups of smoothie. You guys can watch and see how well I can pour. Oh, that's okay. A little bit of a clump. All right, I even have leftover, so I'll probably drink that now. And that's the Daniel Fast smoothie. Yum.